Hey guys, I wanted to do a quick sound demo of this speaker here. I have a fairly long video coming out soon going over some specifics. It's actually pretty long, it's about 20 minutes. So stay tuned for that if you want more information on this. And yeah, so I'm just going to play a couple clips of a couple different genres so you can get an idea of what this thing sounds like. So the first one is going to be Looking Out My Back Door by CCR. I'm going to stand back a little bit so you can get an idea of how it fills the room. Alright, so then we'll do a more modern club song, I guess. Let's see. Let's go ahead and do this one. I'm just going to skip a little bit. Okay, and for the last one, we're going to do a clip from Interstellar by Hans Zimmer. This is going to be a fairly long one. Let's see. I'm going to start there. that if you guys found that interesting. Again, I'll be posting another video going over this either this week or next week, depending on what I do with this. But anyway, so thank you for watching, and more videos on the way.